Good morning, students. Today's topic is bridge presentation part 1. Definition: when the buttocks, foot or feet of the fetus enters the pelvis instead of the head, the presentation is bridge. Incidence: more common in multipara than primi. 3 to 4% of all labor, including premature labor, accounts for the breech presentation. Breech with extended legs is more common in primigravida than multipara. Varieties: according to the attitude of the fetus, breech presentation may be complete or incomplete breech presentation. Complete breech is also known as flex breech. Incomplete breech presentation may be frank breech, that is breech with extended legs, knee presentation, and footling presentation. Clinically, breech presentation may be complicated breech presentation and uncomplicated breech presentation. Complicated breech presentation means breech with contracted pelvis, placenta previa, pelvic tumor, prematurity, etc. Uncomplicated breech means no abnormality except for the natural hazard of the breech labor, such as extended legs, extended arms, after coming head, cord prolapse, etc. As shows in the diagram, the uncomplicated breech presentation, that means frank breech, breech with extended legs. Next is knee presentation, and the last one is footling presentation. Causes: according to Wharton's view, Wharton believes that extended legs in breech is cause rather than result. Too little liquor may also be contributory factor. Stevenson's view: Stevenson's shows that cornuofundal plantation of the placenta may be the proved radiologically. Fetal abnormalities frequent with breech presentation. Among 1705 malformed fetus and infants studied by Puto, babies weight more than 5.5 pound were breech delivery and adhere 26% of hydrocephalus and 18% of anencephaly. Other causes. Other contributory factors are hydramnios, prematurity, multiparity, multiple pregnancy, placenta previa, contracted pelvis, pelvic tumor, malformed uterus. Diagnosis: breech can be diagnosed abdominally by pelvic examination and by radiological examination. Abdominal examination. Abdominal examination, palatable head is felt either to the left or right at the fundus. Suprapubic palpation reveals soft, non-palatable part. Fetal heart sound is heard at about or a little above the level of the umbilicus. Following diagram shows Lippert maneuver, first, second, third and fourth as shows in the diagram. Now pelvic examination. Vaginal examinations during pregnancy, breech may be felt as soft part. During labor, presenting part lying high, cervix dilates slowly, bag of waters assuming sausage shape, buttocks felt as a smooth, soft and smaller than vertex. Sometimes foot may be felt in the bag of water and confirmed by the presence of heel. After rupture of membrane, we feel buttocks, anus with presence of meconium on the examining finger and coccyx and lower sacral vertebra. External genitalia may be felt. Most important to differentiate bridge with vertex presentation, especially in primigravida. In pelvic grip, when head or buttock deeply engaged, two rockantures of bridge giving the feel of two poles of the head, and in fundal grip, when head is masked by overlying feet in case of bridge with extended legs. Radiological examination ultrasonographically not only confirms the diagnosis of the bridge but also detect the disproportions and associated abnormalities. Complications of bridge presentation, fetal risk, they are intracranial injuries, asphyxia neonatorum, dislocation of cervical spine, fracture and separation of epiphysis of the humerus, femur and clavicle. Maternal dangers are severe perineal tear, prolonged labor, risk of anesthesia, and postpartum hemorrhage. Mechanism of breast delivery. There are three stages of the delivery. First is delivery of the buttock, next delivery of the shoulder, and then delivery of the after coming head. Mechanism of labor. Denominator is sacrum. Engaging diameter is bitrochanteric diameter 9.5 cm, and there are 6 positions as shown in the diagram. They are right sacroposterior, left sacroposterior, right sacroanterolateral and left sacrolateral, right sacroanterior and left sacroanterior. Now mechanism of labor. In the mechanism of breast delivery, the principal movement occurs at three places: buttocks, shoulders, and head. The two successive parts to be born are bigger but more compressible, while the head, because of unmolding due to rapid descent, present difficulties. Each of the three components undergoes coronal movement as those of normal mechanism. Delivery of the buttock. The diameter of engagement of the buttock is one of the oblique diameter of the inlet. The engaged diameter is bitrochanteric 10 cm, with the sacrum directed towards the iliopubic eminence when the diameter passes through the pelvic rim and the breech is engaged. Descent of the buttocks occurs until the anterior buttock touches the pelvic floor. Internal rotation of the anterior buttock occurs through 1/8 of the circle, placing it behind the symphysis pubis. Further descent with lateral flexion of the trunk occurs until the anterior hip hangs under the symphysis pubis, which is released first, followed by the posterior hip. Delivery of the trunk and the lower follows. Restitution occurs so that the buttock occupies the original position as during engagement in oblique diameter. Now delivery of the shoulders. By acromial diameter, that is 12 cm, engages in same oblique diameter as that occupied by the buttocks at the brim soon after the delivery of the bridge. Descents occur with internal rotation of the shoulders, bringing the shoulders to lie in the anteroposterior diameter of the pelvic outlet. The trunk simultaneously rotates externally through 1/8 of the circle. Delivery of the posterior shoulder follows by the anterior one is completed by anterior flexion of the delivered trunk. Restitution and external rotation, untwisting of the trunk occurs, putting the anterior shoulder towards the right thigh in left sacroanterior and left thigh in right sacroanterior. External rotation of the shoulders occurs to the same direction because of internal rotation of the occiput through 1/8 of the circle anteriorly. The fetal trunk is now positioned as dorso-anterior. Now delivery of the head. Engagement occurs either through opposite diameter as that occupied by the buttock or through the transverse diameter. The engaging diameter of the head is suboccipitofrontal 10 cm. Descents with increasing flexion occurs. Internal rotation of the occiput occurs anteriorly through 1/8 or 2/8 of the circle, placing the occiput behind the symphysis pubis. Further descent occurs until the occiput hangs under the symphysis pubis. Head is borne by flexion, chin, mouth, nose, forehead, vertex and occiput appearing successively. The expulsion of the head from the pelvic cavity depends entirely upon the bringing down effort and not at on the uterine contraction. In sacroposterior position, the mechanism is not substantially modified. The head has to rotate through 3/8 of the circle to bring the occiput behind the symphysis pubis. Now, most common facts in bridge presentation which is frequently asked are: most common cause of prematurity is bridge presentation. Most common type of bridge is frank bridge, bridge with extended bridge. Incidence 20% at 28 weeks, 5% at 34 weeks, and 3% at term. In bridge presentation, most commonest presentation is left sacroanterior. Engaging diameter in bridge is bitrochanteric 10 cm. Engaging diameter of shoulder is biacromial 12 cm. Engaging diameter of head is suboccipitofrontal, that is 10 cm. Head is borne by flexion. Diagnosis by vaginal examination. Thank you.